And let's see if it can find it. Great, it found it and it clicked on it. Great. So it found it and it clicked on it. Now the bot is ready. I'm going to hit F2. The bot is ready for me to type. See how now if I just type, it's already typing in the box? So now, scroll down, let's get a red line here. Now we're going to type. We're going to click type text, and again we're going to match it. We're going to go add a comment, ... Great, found it, and I'm going to type the text. So, let me hide this notification here. So here, text to type, we're going to click load from file. We're going to go to our comment list. We're going to post a random comment. It's going to be amazing. And then we're going to hit OK. And here it comes. Hopefully it works first time. Obviously there's some troubleshooting going on in this bot here. Let me figure out what's happening. So the issue here is that it's found 2 matches that match exactly that. So that's the problem. It's found 2 matches. Sometimes it finds 2 that match in the code here. So maybe at this point we'll just go CSS, because it has 1 match here. So this needs to be 1 because the bot needs to be absolutely sure on what element it's working on. So we're both figuring this out as we go. So we're going to switch it here to CSS for this one type part. We're going to go 1 and we're going to hit OK. So now we're going to right click on our last task, move execution point here, click on play, and there it is. Boom, and it's typing in one of our comments. Let's maximize our screen. Check my website. Perfect. We've done our comment. Now make sure we do our next thing. And now we're going to right click on this one, move, click on element, make sure this is 1, and we're gonna use that. Should we try the match? It's 318 matches, so let's not use that one. Let's use CSS. Perfect. It's found 1 button that has the code for commenting. I think that's good. We're going to hit OK and comment. Great. So our comment is here. Check my website. Amazing. We've automated leaving a comment on our website, on our video list. So now let's do something here. So the very first thing we did is we logged in. Now, how many times do you have to log in? Just once. We only have to log in 1 time. So this part of the bot is to be done once, and it's not repeated, is my point here, okay? But this commenting is going to be repeated. We're going to be commenting on a loop. We're going to then go back to our video, comment, choose another video, comment, choose another video from our list, comment, and we want to loop this process so that it's automated. We could comment on 100 videos if we want to. So we're going to add this little, we're going to click in here on the line, and this is the next action after we've logged in. Okay, so once the one-time actions are done, we can now create what is going to be called a label. So we'll go up here and we'll type in label, and we're going to click set label. So we're going to click set label, and we're going to call it start of YouTube loop. Okay, we're going to hit OK, and we've made a label here, set label. Perfect. Now we're going to go back to the bottom of our tasks here, our actions, and we are then going to do move to label. Move to label. Which label? Start of YouTube loop. Click on that. And great. It's going to come down, complete these actions. Once it's done this last action, it's going to move to label, set label, start YouTube loop, and it's going to come all the way back down here. So perfect. We are going to loop it back. So let's go here, move execution point here, play, and here we go. It's starting the loop. It's waiting for full page, and it's going to load a new video from the list. It's going to wait for that page to load, and it's going to find add a comment.